In this video, we're gonna perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on a Realme 14T. So let's get right into it. It is of course worth mentioning that we have Wi-Fi 5 standard on this phone. There is no Wi-Fi 6 available, so we have to use Wi-Fi 5. I also made a speed test on my computer where I use the same network just to compare the results. And on my computer, the download was 830 megabits per second, whereas on the phone, as you can see, we have 81 megabits per second. So it is significantly lower, over 10 times slower speed than it is supposed to be. And the upload is 57 megabits per second, which is also a little bit slower because on my computer I managed to reach 80 megabits per second of upload. So both the download and the upload is lower compared to the results on a computer. And the biggest loss is of course in the download because it is significantly slower, and most likely this is due to the fact that we have Wi-Fi 5 on this phone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.